Hello, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute soldier character from Squid Game. Let's get started. We can use the black color with the studio pen and our inking to draw the draft. Before we draw, we can enlarge the streamline percentage to max. That will help us to draw the lines smoother. First, we draw 4 short lines on the canvas to determine the proportion of the head, upper body, and legs. Now let's draw a basic shape of the head first, and then the shape of the body. Next, we draw his 2 legs. Okay, now let's draw the first draft based on these basic lines. We're gonna draw his hood and face first. And then his shoulders, arms, and belt. Now we are gonna draw his trousers and shoes. Finally, let's draw his gun. Next, click the Move tool to adjust the position of our draft. Make sure it is in the middle of our canvas. After the first draw, let's draw more details of the character and make some adjustments of the outlines. Now use eraser to move the excess lines. Okay, now let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Now we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft in a new layer. Next, we can directly drag the black color to paint his mask. Now we're gonna draw a white triangle shape on the mask in a new layer. Then the final lines are all finished. Next, we're gonna paint his clothes. To do that, we can duplicate the outline layer first and directly paint on the layer below. Choose the vivid red and directly drag the color to paint the whole body. Then use black color to paint his belt and his neck. Next, use dark red to paint the inside of his hood. Then we're gonna give the background a light cyan color. Now let's use some darker color to draw the shadow. Okay, now let's create a little glow for the triangle shape on the mask. Duplicate this layer and then tap the Gaussian blur, choose layer, and then slightly slide your pencil to the right to increase the percentage to around 8%. And then the glow effect comes out. That's it, you did it! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!